So you're at this stage of the game, you got your old rotors off, you got your new rotors ready to be put in, and then you take a second and you're like, wait, which one goes on which side? See guys, if you put this rotor right over here, when you're driving, this looks like it should be going in the right direction. But if you put this rotor on this knuckle assembly, when you're driving, it looks like it's going to be flowing the wrong direction. So which way is appropriate? None of these have any signs or symbols to show whether it's the left or the right side. Well guys, in this video I'm going to explain that to you. It's quite simple, so stay tuned and keep watching. It's easy when you have solid rotors because it really doesn't matter which way they go on. But the most important thing are these cooling fans inside. These cooling fans right here are nice and straight. So for example, they're just going like this. They're nice and straight. Some rotors have cooling fans inside of them that are directional. This cooling fan is not directional. Some rotors have cooling fans that are just like this. They're slotted, but they're going a specific direction. Those are very important you get right, whether it's the left or the right side. But even though the surface is drilled and slotted, let's take a look at the cooling fans. The cooling fans are straight. So that could be very misguiding for someone that is new and not aware of this. It really doesn't matter whether this is facing this way or facing that way. The cooling fans matter the most. And since these factory ones are straight and these aftermarket ones are straight, we can essentially mount these whichever way we want. I am gonna mount it this way because I feel like this looks proper compared to having this rotor here going in this way. I feel like this is going against the grain and I'm not liking that. So this is gonna go on the passenger side. This we're gonna keep on the driver's side. Alright guys, well, hopefully you learned something in this video. Don't look at the surface of the rotor to determine whether it's gonna go on the left side or the right side. Mainly look at the internal ventilation system. If it's a straight cut vent, it can go on either direction, just whatever your preference is. Otherwise, if it does have a custom vent on it, it will have an indication whether it's the left or right. So just follow the instructions on the rotor or in the box. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for other videos. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.